Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are so excited to share with you an amazing storage solution that will transform your drawer, closet, cabinet. Say hello to our adjustable strip interlocking self-assembly plastic drawer divider storage organizer. These adjustable strips are designed to help you maximize your storage space, and they are easy to assemble, and you can customize them to fit your specific needs. And plus they are made of durable plastic, so they will stand out regular use. And with our adjustable strip interlocking self-assembly plastic drawer divider storage organizer, you will be able to maximize your storage space and keep your belongings organized and easy to find, reduce clutter and stress, and customize your storage solution to fit your specific need. So what are you waiting for? Get your adjustable strip interlocking self-assembly plastic drawer divider storage organizer today and start enjoying a more organized, stress-free life. So if you want to purchase this product, the initial link is in description box. You can check it out. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I am thrilled to share with you inside on the latest Amazon product with you. I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right item, especially with so many options out there. That's why I am dedicated to providing honest through reviews to help you make informed decision whether it's a gadget, a home essential, or beauty product. I dive deep into the features, prop, cons, so you can exactly what you are getting. If you are enjoying the content and want to see more product review, make sure to hit that follow button and turn on notifications. I am continuously scouting for the best deal and honest trend on Amazon, and I can't wait to share my findings with you. So feedback is invaluable. If there's a particular product or category you want me to review next, drop a comment below. I love hearing your thought and suggestion, because this channel is all about serving you. Remember, finding the right product should not be a hassle with my review. So you will have all the info you need right in your fingerprint. So stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Thank you for being part of this journey with me. Let's keep exploring the best Amazon find together. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you.